You're so special, something that you can't control, yeah. You're so special, I just wanna get a hold on that. You're so special, I ain't gonna let you go, no, no.
Birthday, and she's about to have a birthday dinner, about to meet some friends and some special guests supposed to be coming, so stay tuned. Look, if this is your first time being on my channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell, share, like, comment. We want to stay connected. All right, make sure you watch the next scene. All right, I enjoyed this second oldest princess. So the second oldest princess. Okay. Go through the door. Y'all having fun? Just lifting on my foot like that. Hello. How y'all doing? You say what? So we are waiting to order. Waiting for the food to come. Okay, I'm gonna make my YouTube channel and I'm gonna show y'all how to get this super chat hair. Yeah. I need to go on IG. So yeah, I already here. We're gonna show you how to get that look with y'all hair. We know how to get that brows, the lashes. I'm freaky. Hello. Sister. Y'all see that choice? So, have I got better with the makeup? Yeah, a little bit. You don't like it? I didn't say that. I got better. Yeah. Hello. Hello, hi. Okay, that lemon. Did you squeeze your lemon in there? I didn't drink it yet. It's so refreshing. Oh, very refreshing. Hey, what's your name?
Jesus.
Jesus. Yeah. Okay, so that's Jesus. That's your friend. Yeah.
What's up?
What's your name?
Dion.
That's Dion. What's your name, girl? So we waiting for the food to come. We have special guests coming, but they should be here shortly. I'll try to go live once they get here. Yeah. Why the girl leave?
Because mom came back. Like, yeah, she was about to be here. She was here for about an hour. Then my mom came back and said, "Okay, it's time to pick you up now." And that's when she just left.
She didn't have no phone.
Yeah.
She should have called. Dang. Oh, dang. My bad. Dang, she didn't even get to eat. Did you call her?
I told her we was here, but she's like, my mom not here. As soon as I'm doing that text, she was like, "Oh, my mom just got here." I was like, "Oh my god."
Wow. Here comes the salad. Okay, I need to be vlogging this and not live. I'm about to get off, okay? Soup and our salad. And we're waiting for our special guest to come. So you guys gotta stay tuned. We got Ryan. You gotta say what you said on there, because this is not live.
If you know how to get this out, you're here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah.
Period. Okay. Okay, I need to stand here.
You hold the camera like this, right?
Yeah, like this. Find your angle. Hey, this is your first vlog. Yes, like this is my first vlog. Birthday celebration for my Facebook. She's trying to learn how to be a YouTuber, y'all. How she do? Y'all gotta let me know. Comment down below. Okay? Let me know. Go ahead.
That's spicy on the whole.
Oh, but he is Latin though, so hold on. He might like it. No, serious? Is it too much?
Oh God! I tried to warn you, man. You know,
I forgot that.
It's okay.
I
was trying to warn you, man.
I should have listened.
Oh, man. Yeah, it's so powerful. But if you have ginger, I think they might have given you some strips. You can kind of like wash it down with that. It is a little kick to it, but it's not like that.
It also feels weird. It's like it feels so chalky. Like
yeah.
I'm not sure. Something so spicy. Like,
Yeah.
I feel like that. I should have listened.
Yeah, I tried to warn you. Nobody ever listens to me.
Gotta put on your best show now. Oh shit, you messing up. Oh shit, you messing up. Don't get nervous now. The camera on you. Yeah, what? Oh. What time you got on your phone, Jewel? Okay. Yeah, you should do a mukbang. You should do a mukbang.
Oh yeah.
You can do that for your first video. Hello, the Mako girls. Hi. Hi. Fine, how are you?
I love your hair.
Thank you. How you doing, Michael?
How are you?
I'm fine, how are you? Hi, Mimi.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, I guess I was supposed to do all that.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, fine. How are you? Hi. How are you? Hi. How are you? Good. How are you? I'm fine. So we got the Mako girls here. They have came out to help celebrate Jules' birthday. Oh. I'm sorry we so far. Well, we sit at the same table. Huh? Oh, you gotta make sure you get down your vlog too. And we have special guests here with us. So we have a special guest here with us. We let them know who it is, or should I vlog and just show them? Or should I? Don't show them a lot?
This is really good, y'all. This is really good. I've been here for my birthday, but I didn't say when I was here for my birthday, I had the steak hibachi. I have the chicken hibachi. It's really good.
We gonna let them know. We got the Mako girls here with us. They came to help. Hi.
I'm gonna dip it in
They came to celebrate with Jewel for her birthday. So yeah. Let's see. I will be vlogging. Or maybe I should have. Well, I should probably just put it on the vlog. Huh? Maybe I should put it on the vlog.
I don't really see my face like that.
I put y'all on there anyway. It's pretty good. You said the food? It's pretty good. We got the chicken hibachi. Yo. Y'all got another glow party coming up? So y'all hear that? They said April 11th. Glow party's gonna be a lit situation. I might have, we working on a lid. She trying to be a little rapper, so I might have her at it. They didn't come. We didn't bring them. Well, I don't know. We got to deal with it when we go back home. Hopefully. So, yeah. Oh, but you was doing some promo. Let me go back. They're looking for artists still. So if you guys are in Atlanta, hit up the Mako girls. Go follow them on IG to let them know that you want to be a part of this dope party. They have it every year. So yeah. And you got TheLyfe right here on my page. All right, I'm about to get out of here. This thing.
What's your name? Okay, you guys ready? Let me see the birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jewel. Happy birthday to you.
That's true.
Did you say that, Charles? Right. Really? Do it again. Don't do that. You doing it for them little old men to be over here?
You're so special, something that you can't control, yeah. You're so special, I just wanna get a hold on that. You're so special, I ain't gonna